قال رب اغفر لي وهب لي ملكا لا ينبغي لأحد من بعدي إنك أنت الوهاب. He says, "Oh my Rabb, forgive me and grant me kingdom that no one after me would have, for indeed you are the granter. You are the one who gives gifts." Wahab, a hiba is a gift, and wahab is the one who gives gifts. Here we're speaking about Suleiman alayhi salam saying, "Oh Allah, forgive me and grant me." I think it's important for us to know that without that forgiveness, don't expect to have from Allah something. We seek Allah's forgiveness. We're on the same page as I've been saying. And then we say, "Oh Allah, grant me this, grant me that, grant me what I want, for indeed you're the owner of this, you're the owner of that, you're the owner of absolutely everything." That's the mercy of Allah. So when we look at Suleiman alayhi salatu wasalam's dua, and we see he was given everything, kingdom, such that the jinn were under his instruction, the wind under his instruction, the clouds under his instruction, the ants, he could communicate with them, he instructed them, the birds, the insects, everything he was granted.